everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at a cordless leaf blower by Fanttik, the BF10 Pro. I will go over specs, features, and then show it in use. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a storage pouch, the user manual, USB-C charging cable, a flat nozzle, a rubber nozzle, the long nozzle, and the blower. Briefly going over some specs, this has a max RPM of 80,000. It weighs in at 1.72 pounds, 3 mode settings, a multicolor indicator for the mode settings, 2500 mAh battery, USB-C charging, 5 volt 3 amp input. Looking at the blower, it's very light and easy to grip. You can see the branding on the top. In the middle, you have the buttons. One is for the mode with 3 settings, and the other is the power button. On the back, you have the USB-C charge input. Towards the top, you have the air inlet and also the multicolor LED ring, which will change colors as you switch the modes. On the top, you have the air outlet, and you also have the unlock and lock indicator for the nozzles. Right below the power button is an LED that will let you know the state of charge. Taking some brief measurements, it's about 11.5 inches long, and it weighs in at roughly 814 grams. Attaching the nozzles is simple. Just line it up with the indicator and twist to lock or unlock. Just a brief overview of the controls before we test it outside. To turn it on, just hold down the power button, and you can cycle through gear 1, 2, and 3 by pressing the button right above it. You can also see the LED line right below the power button for the state of charge. As you cycle through the different modes, the multicolor LED ring will change colors from green, yellow, and red. Okay, so now we're outside with the BF10 Pro blower. We are in the winter months, so I don't really have any leaves to show that I can blow, but we do have some snow on the ground. It's a mix of some wet and light, and then let's see how it does. Again, it does come with the 3 tubes. You get the long, you get this rubber, and then you get a flat. We'll use this rubber one since it's more focused, and then we'll go on to the high setting. Just to see the different modes. Again, this is on the gear 1, gear 2, and gear 3. And then you do have the LED on the bottom here. It will change colors as you switch gears. And you also have the LED indicator for the battery health. All right, so let's test it out. All right, I'm just gonna keep it on the turbo or the gear 3, the high setting. Again, the snow is a mix of light snow and some wet, but you can see it's clearing the light snow here with ease. And we are on the high setting. I'm going to remove the nozzle. So this is without the nozzle. Okay, so this is gear 1, gear 2, and 3. All right, so that's a look at the Fanttik BF10 Pro. Very lightweight and compact. Can be used for many different situations. If you want to clear out like your patio, if you have some dirt on your patio or your balcony, some dirt, leaves, or even your car, you know, just blowing out the dirt of the car. Some of your car mats, you can use the flat nozzle to blow out the dirt. And like I said, I didn't have any leaves to show, but you saw a bit of the power as it was able to blow some of the snow off the driveway here and off the bush. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out.